Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 12 to 16 Honda CRV. This is the left front that clips at double speed. By the way, there's two of these. There's two of these window regulator motor assemblies. A couple screws up there. One's got 5 wires, one's got 2 wires. You'll have to take a look at yours and see which one you have. That entire piece pops off, the switch housing. This is actually a very easy one to do. Unplugs. If your window goes up a third of the way and kind of hesitates or stops, that's the motor itself, but you're changing it with the regulator. If this is helpful, I think there's a screw right there too. Yeah, there's one screw right there. If this is helpful for you, do me a favor and like the video. That'll help other people, such as yourself, find it when they're looking for it. The handle pops off quite easily. Yep, you just saw it come off, no problem. This really is as easy as it gets. Just unscrew that to make it easier to get out of the way. If you have any questions, you can ask right here on YouTube, and I'll be glad to answer them within a day or so. If you'd like us to do this for you, Power Up Auto, Tampa Bay, Florida. So you're going to bring the glass down enough to get access to the two 10mm bolts, one through the hole, one through the big area that's open. Grab a suction cup. Harbor Freight International has these for $5. They're good quality and they work great. Put the glass up, suction cup on, suction cup on. And then you've got 2 nuts and I want to say 5 bolts. 4 bolts. 2 nuts and 4 bolts. So, grab a 10mm socket. Now 2 of them are black. There's the nuts. 2 of the bolts are black, 2 of them are silver. The black ones, I believe, stay. I'm not sure if I can see from this, because those are how you line up the new regulator. The silver ones come out. And then once you do that, unplug the motor. Again, if you're not sure if you have a 5-wire harness or a 2-wire harness, basically what it comes down to is whether you have the automatic up and down. If you do, it's probably the 5-wire harness. Slide that in. Put those nuts back. One other thing I may or may not show you, every now and then, every 3 or 4 months, a little bit of WD-40 in the 2 up and down channels that the glass travels in. You don't have to soak it, just give it a light spray. The run channels dry out and cause the glass to grab. If you do that, they last longer, they work better, you'll be happier. Put the glass down, line it up with the regulator again. Reinstall the 10mm bolts. Don't torque them too tight. You don't want to break the clips. Look at that. And then put it down. Makes it easier to put everything back together. And that's it. I don't have any other advice for you on this one. If you like it, do me a favor, like the video if you find it helpful. And you can watch the rest of it and call me or text me if you have any questions. Thanks.